Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's PyLover136 here, and welcome back to Ratchet and Clank. Um, so we're gonna try to go through the race one time. One time. I've already been trying for the last um 15 minutes. I've gotten pretty good. I want to show that off, but we're only gonna do it one time. I'm gonna hopefully get it before stream one of these days. So start off with a trick to get a little boost, and then we can zoom down. We'll jump over this. And I'll cut off another second. I've gotten pretty good at this so far, but being pretty good at something isn't the same as doing it, so. And like, I should have jumped that sooner. Well, it didn't eat up too much of the time. Still made it there at about the same time. Oh. Fail, yep. Go. I might still be able to save this. We'll find out. Nope, can't save that. Oh well, we tried one time, and now we're walking away. Because otherwise, I'd be sitting here doing it all day. But in the last episode, we tried the races. We found out where Captain Quark was, and he told us that we needed to go to his secret base. So that's where we're heading now. Yeah, that race is gonna upset me. Only because I know I've done it at least one time before in my life. And it could just be I save all the achievement hunting for when the game is more fun. You know what? That might be a smart thing to do. Because they did a remake of this game, and so it might be more fun to go through the remake of this game rather than play through this one. Wait, we have made it. I don't have enough money to buy anything, do I?
Challenge course. Now is your chance to prove yourself strong and brave, like me. Conquer it, and you'll join in my fight against evil.
Haven't we done enough already?
What? I can't hear you.
I said, haven't we done?
Sorry, still having trouble. Tell me later.
Later? We might be dead by then.
What?
All right, Clank, let's get going.
Alright. So we have to deal with Captain Quark and his antics. Let's see.
I got some great
There's nothing new
targets for you
anyways. The new as we go. But yeah, they do have a remake of this one. Of this exact one. From what I remember. Oop. And it might be more beneficial to play a game that's not gonna lag my game out simply because it's streaming. Let's see if this platform over here takes us anywhere. And I can honestly say I don't remember anything about these games. Wow. Wow. So they're gonna make me go back the hard way. But yeah, I don't really remember a whole lot about the beginning of these games. I was about to say a gun probably would have worked a lot better. Yeah, let's try the Love of Doom. Yeah, I was afraid of that. Those explosions are gonna kill them too. We don't have the kind of ammo we need. Just to make it simple, let's just buy all the blaster ammo we can. Yeah, we don't have any ammo for what we needed, so. why I equipped it, knowing I have to go back. Alright, so we make it back, and now let's equip the blaster. Really? I will do this in first person if I have to. Usually they do a pretty good job with the auto aim, or the auto lock on. Ooh. Well, that one started following me. Ooh. Pyrocitor ammo. Yeah, the problem with the Pyrocitor is that it's very close range. If it had been, you know, further away... Oh, jeez. If it had been further away, it would have been more helpful to me. Alright. But say I'm not gonna play with these bomb mines. Keep seeking mines. Come on. He does not want to lock on to anything today. Wonder why that is. I mean, other than the fact that it is unwholesome. There we go. Let's collect me a little bit of stuff. Oh. We'll just let this gotta do. I'm gonna get a move on before that thing realizes that I'm here. Gonna be enough to destroy all of them? So it is. Well, now we know the radius of those. Okay, so that's a new gimmick. Gotta step on all the buttons before the time expires. Which shouldn't be too bad. It can be difficult, I'm sure. Hey, give me blaster ammo. Probably the best long range weapon I have. Oh geez. At least really? Wow. Okie dokie. So that's part of the challenge, I guess, is that it can shoot through the fence. I really don't have time to mess with those bomb boxes. But say, I just gotta get to the end. Destroy those. Let's not stop right there. And then we can swing shot. Well, it lets me go two different directions, so... Well, if there's one, there's got to be another one. Okay, I see it. And 1, 2, 3. What did that do? Didn't open up anything next to me. Okay, good. I was about to say the blaster ammo that I've wanted for so long, and then it falls off the edge. Did it open the door to this building? That's a possibility. It is a possibility, and it was the truth. Got me a gold bolt out of it. Nice. Okay, bomb glove, nice. Blaster ammo. And pyroxene. So a little bit of everything in here. Alright. Well, I wasn't expecting that to be able to hit me. Alright, so, okay, I see 1, 2, and 3. These are actually pretty far from each other. Ooh, just barely. Whew. Yeah, that's what I meant. Like, I could see it getting harder. Is that what opened? I don't remember that being open before. Matter of fact, let's open the map. Looks like there might be more to my left, but you know what? Let's climb the tower. Alright. Okay. A lot of bombs. I got enough health to take another hit, but I don't wanna. Huh, just a... Did it open? Oh, this one over here. At least these things will stay open. I don't have to worry about opening them again later. Ooh, I saw that. Not that I necessarily need to. These bars really remind me a lot of playing the Spyro games when you learn how to climb up bars like these, like a ladder. Oh. Like our gun fizzles out. Oh, but what happens if we hydro displace with them in it? I can take it out then. Matter of fact, do I have to? Yeah, there's more on the other side. Look at that. I guess they're just amphibian. They're not necessarily fish. Do I want to be up here? But I say I didn't get the stuff over there. Was it worth anything? I didn't really see. Had to put the water back for all that. Although, the way these boxes are scattered is kind of aggravating. Gotta break one individually rather than a group of them. I'm not gonna worry about the stragglers. Alright, now we grab the hydro displacer, and we'll put them back in as soon as we take these guys out. Because I don't feel like I need to deal with them. It's a good thing I saw them too before I did this. Not like it's a huge deal, but I don't want to have to deal with them at all, so... I see some health over there, but I can get that without... I don't even need it. I just want the boxes. I wish I could do a downward attack from Clank. Jump like that. So as long as they have a little water, they're fine. Take him out before he gets that. Okay, so I don't think I can make this if I... Yeah, no. So I just needed to drain the water so I could put it back. But now I can get to the other side. I kinda get it. That's an interesting way of doing it. So, because the water is so low, I can't swing. Huh. And even then, we didn't drain the water all the way. There we go. Not too bad if I say so myself. And I do say so myself, that is. Man, there's been a lot of fishes in this. I don't know. Maybe you guys could give me an idea. Would you rather see me platinum this game or the remake of this game? Or both? Or neither? Like I said, they did remake it, and so it wouldn't be against everything to platinum it twice. But I usually don't like putting in the effort to platinum a game 2 times. Well, this is interesting. Oh, I can jump up here. I didn't realize that was high enough of a jump. Me that I can't jump that high, but I can jump that high. And so in order to do what needs to be done, I have to go and retrieve the water just so I can do a high jump on that platform there. Want to count that as a puzzle. I'm not gonna say it's not, I just think that's a bit silly. Tiny narrow passages. They don't work well with the... You know what? Why am I walking up so close when I can just do that? And we made it to Captain Court.
Well, you two continue to surprise me. Step into the ring of heroes, and I will finally give you what you deserve.
Ratchet, this is no time for you to become cautious. We have reached our goal.
I don't know. There's something fishy going on here.
Listen to your little metal friend, Ratchet. Your destiny is mere steps away.
It's just something doesn't seem right.
This is it. Quark is going to help us stop Chairman Drek.
Why, thank you, Clank. You've been most helpful.
Get off of me, you idiot!
I love it when a plan comes together.
What do you mean?
What do you think he means, genius? He's not gonna help us. He's gonna kill us.
You catch on quick. Although there is one problem with your hypothesis. I'm not going to kill you.
You're not?
No, he is.
But why?
But why? It's really not that difficult to decipher. I'm the official spokesman for Drek's new planet. I can't have you two getting in the way of my comeback.
This isn't over, Quark.
No, but it will be soon.
Well, that's quite the change. Let's see, how are we gonna take this guy out? So I think, oop, come on. I think the best thing to do is to use the mine launcher. The mine glove? These would be good, because it looks like he's going to try to follow me. See? But has to actually walk forward to them. This did not work out like I wanted to at all. I didn't help out either. Is that gonna kill them when they come out? Yeah. So pretty much those guys are, oh, useless. Oh, he shoots flames from his hand? Oh, Jesus, okay. So pretty much all we really got is, oop, well, that burned my biscuits. I mean, if they're gonna take us all the way back up here, like, we could just leave. Yeah, give me more blaster ammo. Come on. Uh-oh. He's got a shield on him. I don't know how I'm gonna deal with that. Oh, he's so heavy, he sunk to the bridge. Okay, that's good to know. So I probably have to do that a couple of times then. Whee! Nope, nope. I'm just going to say that if I can hit him, he can hit me. Alright, well, assuming that we'll get 3 chances at this, I don't want to, I'm not even going to turn around. Oh, it's going to make me turn around. Ow, I was trying to dodge it. Just did a quick little zigzag and couldn't really avoid it. Come on, stop moving. Yeah. I was honestly afraid of that. Whoop, whoop. What is he doing? What is he doing? What is he doing? Oh. That is unfortunate. Looks like this is all mind glove stuff too. I wasn't expecting that to happen. He doesn't seem to be doing the, well, never mind, there he goes. I was gonna say the stompy part. I'm just kind of hoping these bombs will do enough damage to... Oh. Yeah, that's annoying, but I guess that's better than it could be. I mean, if that's the worst he's got... Yeah, that was enough blaster ammo to help me take him out. So, I don't have to do any more damage, right? That's just it. Roll of 3s and all. Cool. Alright. So now let's go pick up all our freaking ammo, because that's a thing. Where are we supposed to go? Okay, the big door. That's the exit. Infobot is waiting for us. Second boss
I
down.
wonder what that infobot is for.
Maybe it can replace you.
We're pinned down! We're pinned down! The ships are hammering our position from the air! That was a little too close! We need support! Now! Actually, I need support. My entire battalion went AWOL and left me to fight this war on my own. If the enemy doesn't kill those guys, I will. I'm not gonna last much longer! Requesting immediate assistance! Over and out!
Those are Drek ships destroying that planet. We must help that commando.
Are you serious? That's it. I am out of here. Captain Quark is gonna be sorry he messed with me.
This is not about Captain Quark anymore. There are innocent lives being lost.
Yeah? Well, I'm done with this stupid hero stuff. I got my own agenda now.
Ratchet, this is not like you.
What do you know about me? You've spent this whole time looking for Quark. You don't know anything about me.
I know that you will do the right thing.
Well, right now the thing I want to do is find Quark. How do you start this stupid thing?
Have you forgotten? You need a robotic ignition system. I will start the ship if you agree to help that commando.
So, blackmail is it? Fine. Just shut up and start the ship.
Well, that's unfortunate.
Back so soon?
Oh, you're talking to me.
I'm not in the habit of talking to myself, you buffoon. Did you get rid of them?
Yes. No. Well, I had this plan, and I thought...
You thought? You thought? I do the thinking around here, you slug-brained idiot. I simply needed you to eliminate those two nuisances before they could cause any real trouble.
But I wanted to...
Do you still want to be the highly paid spokesman for my planet?
Yeah?
Then the next time I send you to do a job, I want results! Now get out of my sight!
Yeah, he should have done it himself, but now he's just gonna get chewed out for it. Not my fault. He did it to himself. Honestly. I don't know what else to tell you.
Add attention, you deserting maggots! The next time you soldiers try to go AWOL, I'll shoot you myself!
Look, I just want to...
Zip it, worm! You see those bombers? If you don't get to the turrets and knock those ships out of the sky, this whole planet's gonna be rubble! Meet me at the city entrance!
He needs our help.
Yeah? Why don't you go help him? Into another trap? Well, go on. Go fight some evil.
At least I'm not a coward.
Whatever. As soon as I find Quark, I'm selling you for scrap.